So for eyebrows, you take a ball of fondant like this. You put your finger over half of it and roll back and forth to get more of an elongated teardrop shape. Okay, and then you just bend it like this. You can flatten it a little bit. Whoa! Don't drop it. Place it above the eyes. One on the other side. Finger over half. Curve it. Flatten it a little bit. And over here, if you curve the eyebrows, he's going to look happy. If you have him straight, he's going to look mean. Right now he kind of looks mean because he doesn't have a mouth. So for the mouth, you can either do the kohl or you can do the kohl, which would just be little balls, just like this. Another option that I won't put on there, but what you would do if you want to give him a regular mouth, a bigger, larger ball of fondant, put your fingers over half and roll, and then your fingers over the other half and roll, keeping the center a little larger. Okay, so keep doing that. So keeping this larger, and then on the ends you'll twist even more, thin that out. Same over here. Okay, curve it and then flatten for a regular smile. It's important to have the ends be thin when you do a smile like that, not too thick. Okay. I think I want to give him just one more up here. Okay, so then let me wash my hands because this black is all over me, and then we'll go to the orange for the carrot nose. Okay, so now I have just a bit of orange fondant, and I am going to roll it into a ball, put my fingers over half, and start to roll, making an elongated teardrop like we did for, what does it look like? It looks like one of the eyebrows, right? Pinch it a little bit more here. This is our little carrot nose here. That looks like about a good size. Now you can just lay it flat there, or you can give it a little bit more dimension by putting a skewer into the cake with it on. So let me just snip this, place this over the top, kind of twist it as it goes in. Okay, and then the carrots usually aren't real smooth, so you don't have to worry too much about, you just kind of give it a little bit of movement here, like not so perfect is what I'm trying to say. And then just take any kind of tool and just make some little lines, kind of here and there, do for our carrot. Okay, and then we'll take it and place it in at an angle, like so. Okay.